Hey guys, today we'll be working on this crazy McLaren 720S. We'll be highlighting our entire July 2018 glove box, all on this episode of Detail Matters. Let's open up our box and start our detail therapy session. We'll make our day frustration-free by using tire jam eliminators from Wax on all 4 tires, and after that, we'll use limitless lather to wash the vehicle and get some pesky bugs off the paint with bug release from Wizards. Finally, we'll be wrapping everything up by protecting and drying with H2O Garden Gloss from Adams and the Rag Company's Car Wash Microfiber Towel. I know you guys are dying to use everything inside your glove box, so let's begin. Let's start our inspection and talk about the Detail Guards tire jam eliminators from Wax. Anyone that's washed a car knows how annoying it is when your hose gets stuck under your tires. Well, now we've got a tool that prevents that and even works well with electrical cords. These guards are going to make anyone's detail session a little more comfortable, but are especially convenient when working in a small area. And if you're someone that's taking care of several cars a day like I am, these tire jam eliminators are going to save you time and money in the long run. Now that the guards are in place and the inspection is complete, let's grab our wash and rinse buckets as well as our foam cannon and get ready to begin the wash procedure. This month we'll be washing the vehicle with Limitless Lather. Limitless Lather is a pH neutral gloss enhancing soap, great for any vehicle you'll be working on. We'll put 2 to 4 ounces into our wash bucket and 2 to 4 ounces in our foam cannon. After those are ready to go, we can start the wash procedure by rinsing down the 720S. There's nothing more American than washing your car on a warm summer day. So let's talk a little bit about keeping your technique on point and your paint surface damage-free when working outdoors in these summer months. Here inside of a clean, indoor environment like Collector's Car Garage, I'm going to be able to let the foam sit on the paint for 60 seconds, give or take. But outside, especially if it's sunny, I'm going to cut that number in half to make sure the sun doesn't let any of the product dry on the paint surface. We recommend against working in direct sunlight, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. We'll rinse the car down to get these suds off and then take care of some unwanted passengers that this vehicle can't seem to shake with bug release from Wizards. You can use this product on any exterior surface to neutralize the nasty acid proteins that damage your car's paint surface. We'll spray the product on, let it sit for 60 seconds, then foam the car and start our hand washing procedure. The principles of the proper wash procedure never change. You use straight, overlapping motions, light pressure, continue to check your wash mitts for debris. Don't forget to use your grit guards in both of your buckets as well. We'll have a link below where you can check out more detailed video of your proper wash procedure. We're going to spray the vehicle down with Adams H2O Garden Gloss while the car is still wet. Adams Garden Gloss is a drying aid that adds in protection and shine in one easy step. And again, while we don't recommend washing a car in direct sunlight, this product will help you out if you are in that situation. You can use it on paint, glass, chrome, plastic, and rims, and we're proud to say that this is the first and only time Garden Gloss has been available in sample size. Let's dry this car with the Rag Company's Wash Microfiber. We'll start by wetting our microfiber towel and wringing it out. When you are drying your vehicle off, you want to wring out your microfiber towel when it stops absorbing water and starts to push it around. And like all of the tools that touch the paint surface, you want to make sure that you are inspecting your towels regularly through the drying process. Now that we have this McLaren 720S looking even more stunning, thanks to our July 2018 glove box, let's go over the key details to remember. 1. Inspect your vehicle and your workspace. Use the tire jam eliminator to avoid any hose or cord snag. 2. Use the proper 2-bucket wash method. 3. Use your bug release on a cool paint surface out of direct sunlight. 4. Thoroughly rinse your vehicle to ensure you have removed all suds and bug release product. 5. Spray your H2O Garden Gloss over the wet paint surface. 6. Use your wet drying microfiber to remove the water and spread the garden gloss. 7. Continue to inspect your microfiber for any debris or dirt that could harm the paint surface. 8. Clean your wash buckets after use and pick up your tire jam eliminators. 9. Triple check your work. 10. Use your discount codes on the back of the insert card to purchase anything at those listed sites to receive a special GloveBox discount. Thanks for watching another episode of Detail Matters. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so to see new tips and tricks every month. And if you're not a part of the GloveBox experience yet, go to gloveboxdetail.com to learn more and sign up.